Hi, I'm Corinne Lesh with FedScoop, and I'm here with Joe Pasqua, EVP Products for MarkLogic. Hi, Joe. Thanks for being here.
Glad to be here. Thanks.
So why don't we start off by talking about what's your play in the federal marketplace? What are you selling?
We sell a database. We're a NoSQL enterprise database that's made to allow people to bring data together from different silos and use it effectively.
Okay. And how can you help agencies modernize and transition away from legacy systems?
Well, that's really what we're about. So what we found in the government space and in the commercial space is that organizations have lots and lots of data, but it's stuck in separate silos. And they're not getting really the maximum value of their data because they're not able to bring it together. And they're not able to operate on it once they've got it together. So what we do is we take a completely new and modern approach that allows people to bring their data together without the huge cost that's normally involved in doing that and the huge long timelines that are involved in doing that. And then once they've got their data together, they want to be able to operate on it and know that it's secure, know that they can scale out their system without a huge cost, know that they could operate in the cloud if they want to or on premises if they need to. And we give them that capability. So the modern features, the way of bringing the data together, but the sort of features that they've grown to rely on in terms of having a trusted environment to run in.
And what do you see as the future of federal IT?
Well, I think it's going to continue to modernize in a lot of the same ways that the commercial space is modernizing. I mentioned cloud just a second ago. I think that's going to be an ongoing important area in not just the commercial space, but in the federal space. The ability to stand up projects quickly, the ability to bring data together from multiple sources really quickly and cost effectively, and then to be able to grow and expand as you need to, rather than, sort of the more common thing in the federal space of we've got a big project, we need to fund it all up front, we need to do this big acquisition, this big purchase. Tons of risk in doing that because you have to project what things are going to be like 5 years in the future. Being able to transform to a model that says, no, we understand what we need to do now. Let's buy for what we need to do now. Let's control our risk. Let's expand as we need to and really do sort of a minimum viable product approach in the beginning and then go from there. So quicker time to results, less risk, more flexibility.
Great. Anything else that you'd like to add?
Well, I just think that, we talk a lot as an industry about big data. And nobody really knows what it means. Mm-hmm. Everybody's got a different definition of it. And what I think it's important for people to focus on is not just the size of their data, but all of their data. So, the fact that you've got data in all these different places, and each one of those pieces of data, each one of those silos is individually useful, that's great. But being able to bring all of your data together, get all of the context from those different systems, and being able to get sort of the synergies of having that data together, that's what's really going to unlock a lot of value and a lot of new applications and solutions that go beyond just what people think of as big data. It's all of your data.
Right. Well, thank you so much for being here with us.
Glad to be here. Thank you.
I'm Corinne Lesh. Thanks for watching.